pick up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah guys, we're on an epic adventure today. We're heading up into the hills guys and do something different today. Not your normal Jamaican shore fishing vibes, but I'll link up with another channel guys and do a little cook up on the riverside, maybe throw 2 line, hunt 2 janga or 2 crayfish. That's what I go on. See? Because you don't know, Jamaican shore fishing is all about adventure and outdoor life. Big up yourself guys, stay tuned for this epic adventure. I'm gonna go here guys. Yeah, we're on a journey ahead up to Jamaica vibes. Up in the country up. I shot it to chill on the hills. Head towards Alright guys. Today I'm on chop line and take it easy. Every time go to line. Stay tuned guys. It is a long drive and the road is bad. So craters on this road guys. You know? And I'm not every time chop. I make a few local ones stop in and out. A few places on the way up. Stay tuned guys. Hey guys, big up yourself guys. We're here. We'll finally reach where we are reach. Link up with Jamaica vibes and idea guys. We're about to push out on an epic river vibes. Not your normal sea vibes to Jamaican shore fishing, but I link up with my brethren and we do local cookings and chill out. Carry a nice mackerel when we catch the other day in our last video. And I'll do a little cook up on that today. I'll grill a couple of pork chops and grill some crayfish and thing and catch 2 crayfish on the river. So stay tuned guys. Awesome epic adventure. My wife and kids is here. Chevelle is here also with her kids and Jamaica vibes, and we're out here guys. We're gonna push out. Alright, outside. Hey guys, we're outside with Jamaica vibes. And yeah man, the adventure is on. Yeah man, we're touching riverside today guys. Different kind of adventures than Jamaican shore fishing used to. But we're do a wicked cook up, some crayfish hunting and all of that. You see it? Down. Yeah man, look on the scene people. Yeah man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area guys. Check this out. Yeah. Rest of the team is heading across the water down there. Right on the riverside. Well, go on, do a cook up today. And get the thing on and popping. See guys? So stay tuned guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah. We're there with vibes. See you here. Camera upon camera people, look on that. We're outside guys and we're out doing our thing. We're linking up with vibes. My wife's here, friends. All of us is here guys.
Are you enjoying yourself?
On this river.
I am enjoying myself. It's so nice
In
here. Nice and
cool. Clarendon / Manchester. Yes. So we're on this river guys and building another vibes. The girls are going crayfish hunting. Hey, you guys can't make up too much noise, you know?
No man, crayfish here.
Okay.
Ali!
Yeah guys, girls are hunting crayfish. You get one big one? Yeah guys. So, it's crayfish hunting adventure guys. Girls are hunting. There goes.
Oh, there's another. The more out the support.
Yeah. So you gotta dive and look under there, Laurie, for them. I know it's cold. You're in a river. If you stir up the water with your feet too much, you're not gonna see very well. So you gotta be careful and not stir up the water too much.
Search in the bank.
Search along the side. Look, Sophia, look. Along the sides. Here.
Go over somewhere. Go over there. Come over that side.
Laurie, have a look, you know. You can see? So you gotta search. Look, they look like lobsters, alright? That's what they look like, lobsters. No, they're small ones. So that's why you have the stick. You stick it and take it up. But anyways, people, we here guys, we here with Jamaica Vibes, our adventures, and we're there with the boss, and we have the fire light up. Chevelle got the grill crank up. Yeah man, and we're out on a river adventure guys. The kids are here crayfish hunting guys, which we took them out for that adventure today guys, specifically for the girls to just link up. And it's a girls day out. If you look at, be a girl picking in our water people. So yeah man, girls day out, and we're there cook up some food, and I enjoy look a cool shade, cook up some pork, and you remember that mackerel when I killed the other day up on the rock with Sophia people? See me? Well clean up and ready up.
Nice mackerel.
Yeah man, came up for the dads and
nice mackerel.
chop them up, you know?
Yeah.
Alan, he get knocked, you know?
Yeah?
Stand up on the rock stone to the backside when he lick the line and take off, man. I know nothing normal.
Yeah.
Take off, wicked, man.
Nice boy. More fun and half.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, guys, I ate that man over there, so I'm gonna cook up some food and build a little vibes today. Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The crayfish?
You understand? Yeah, we can use it on the crayfish.
What's in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
See him here, so.
Yeah, man.
But, vibe.
So, I said the kids were coming on to put too much pepper in it.
No, that's what I did too with this. I didn't put any pepper at all in it.
That's how we find that to get
Yeah, man.
active.
Yeah.
I wash them, maybe.
Outside people. Jamaica vibes are season up the thing, guys. Yeah, man. Vibes are drop some mackerel in our grill. I grill them up. Yeah, man.
Jesus.
Straight roasting today, guys. That's what we're up on today. We're up on the beach. Yeah, pushing it closer vibes. Yeah. Yeah, man. See him here, so.
Yes, man.
And just go and drop a brisk.
Woo!
Brisky brisk.
Look at that!
Yeah.
Look at that!
Outside
Yes.
with the guys.
And this already
Pull it outside.
pork.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Make that go on.
You have to separate the pork from the fish, you know, people. Because you know, so some people don't eat pork and
Jesus
some people eat
Christ.
fish. So, we don't know. We're there with Vibes.
Okay.
Jamaica Vibes Adventure,
We
guys.
are out here, guys.
And we want to
represent.
jump
Dinner.
over to him channel, guys. Make sure to give him a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. And watch the ads.
Oh, no, don't know.
You see it? So, guys, we out here and we are doing a look at exciting cook up and link
Yes,
up on the
man.
riverside. The girls are hunting crayfish.
Yes, man.
We are waiting for them to come up with something. Sophia's taking a break because she says she's kind of tired and look famished.
Yeah.
So the rest of the girls are out there and they're hunting, guys. So
Yeah.
we're there, so with them party same way. Yeah, man.
Remember, you know, Jamaica shore fishing.
That's why I jumped in there.
Like, share, subscribe. So I say, government, land talk to you. Make sure you do it. See? Alright, boom.
Boom.
Yeah, the
Outside,
speaker,
guys.
Dry your cup,
Yeah, man.
dry your cup. Yeah.
Already, people.
Right style.
Just like that, guys.
Right style.
Shit from a charcoal fire, you know, people. Outside. I'm talking about I know Chinese brush.
A
Yeah,
Chinese brush.
a Jamaican
A
brush.
Jamaica brush, this is a stallion brush.
Yeah, the rest of the people.
Stallion brush. Yes,
But
man.
a good thing say, yo, people, you are going, Mr. Jamaican, yeah?
No, I never talk about
Big
it.
up yourself.
I say my Chinese. I never remember say my Chinese.
I'm a Chinese.
Ching chong makahoy. Chinese. Come on, guys, look at that.
Beautiful.
Outside.
Very. Can you smell it?
Jesus.
Yeah.
Look at that. No, man. Get a little more heat, you know? No, man, I put, yeah. Ah, cha. I hate
Oh,
that.
no, holy. How season is that? How season is that?
It's
Jamaica.
Jamaican
Oh,
shore fishing.
okay.
That's right. More you smell the flavors.
You
You know.
smell it?
Mm.
Bring it to me.
Oh, God.
So you know, some man can cook. So yo, we outside, guys.
Chef. Chef done.
We don't have to ask nobody.
We don't have to ask.
Yeah, when I make the pork go to me, the fish, man, I have flash.
Watch a fish, you know, guys.
Yeah, man.
Make sure you watch it careful.
You can
I'll drop some pork on the grill. You see it? Some Trenton,
that.
guys.
Hey, the man, I have to put the pork over there.
Pork
Look at
chops.
that.
Cook up with Jamaica vibes, guys. Jamaica vibes adventure on a different outing.
Look at that. The hog are clean.
Pretty.
Mm-mm.
I was so pretty.
I was trying to import this.
What you say?
No, that's it. No more.
Jamaica shore fishing catch a pork there, now you catch it, see?
See.
Yeah, man. Straight sea hog, you know? Yes, guys.
Yeah. Oh, look at this, man. So beautiful, man. Juicy. Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Yes, no man.
Nice tenderloin cuts, you know?
Yes, no man. What we are gonna do? Lucky.
Lucky buck.
Oh, whoa.
Outside.
Yeah, this is my season. I'm gonna use glazing on my when I throw it away.
Wasabi
Wasabi
style.
sauce step on
Yo,
it.
a straight mackerel, listen up, people.
Yeah,
And
man.
we flip the mackerel on the grill, and this is a new local grill that we get off Amazon, guys. I'll leave the link below and share it with you guys that you can get it. I actually
Yeah,
got
man.
this for
Very
$5.99 off
handy.
Amazon, And you can do pork, you can do chicken, you can do fish. You can do everything tonight, guys. Especially if you don't have a big grill like that where you can push on. This is a much lighter option for a single man camping and moving. Alright, guys? So, we're on Jamaica Vibes there.
We are.
Jamaica Vibes Adventures, guys. I want to go over to him channel like I said before, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads.
Yeah, leave a
man.
comment and maybe say a shore fishing center over here.
That's right.
Understand? 10% off to call seasoning said we are. Link is in the description.
And guys, me and Jamaica Vibes is starting some merchandising things. Someone want to check out the t-shirts, the cups, all the speakers and all these things, the AirPods and all these things. We're gonna be getting into some merchandising, guys. So jump on it, guys. Please support the thing. Buy a shirt.
Yes.
Support the thing. I met with I wear Jamaican Vibes t-shirt or Jamaican shore fishing t-shirt. All over the place, guys.
Yeah, we want to go up and camping. The boombox them there when we carry on the music. Carry them out and we got on a teacup for souvenir said we Jamaica shore fishing. The link is in his description and it will always be in my description. So yeah, Jamaica shore fishing, we are
out here. Yeah, man. We got the pork on the grill, guys.
Yes, man.
And not only the pork, but we have 2 more pieces of fish on the line, still the same way. And we are roast up some food, people on there up on the river vibes.
I want them fire, sir.
It's smoking.
Maybe a smoke can come up, sir.
Because it's
that's
smoking.
why that's sitting on fire.
Look like one
box, one sizzle box. Yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, guys.
The peeps, let's tell you what I think about this.
Yeah, guys.
Oh God Almighty. I remember the brush, you know. Remember me say, I know.
A bamboo brush. A bamboo brush. Yeah, guys, a bamboo we use and make brush. So, over there, so we have a basic thing with bamboo brush. Yeah, outside, guys. Jamaica Vibes. I hunt some crayfish now. You see me? I push out my water, guys. Yeah, man, see man there. Yeah. So, I go up on the hunt, guys. I take the bank inside good and when I disturb the water too much.
There's some natural coal bush,
yeah?
These are called jack in the bush.
Yeah.
So you got the coal, you boil these bush,
I hate that.
You pass out everything.
You see it, guys?
Jack in the bush. You smell the flavor,
right? Right away. So not disturb the water, people. We have to take the bank inside high. Yeah, guys. River vibes, guys. Shore fishing. Take it on a different adventure. You see it? Yeah, man. That's a blooper. Slide and drop. No. I'm used to this, you know. But here I go on the water shoes and I'm weird. Oh, good, man. Good with the bush. I have to go through like so. Okay, guys. So stay tuned here. Now I got record. And left my battery them and everything back. Camp. So now I got 2 ways to recording time. You see it? Yeah, man. Dip on it, people. Here we want some crayfish, guys. Two of them we get 2 nice one already, man. I want some crayfish, guys, and some vibes in my water. You see it, guys? In my dive. Nice on the ball, guys. Yeah.
The dust will come up. But again, they're small peeps, but they don't know they can eat. Normally we don't hunt them, man. They don't take them and grow, but they don't do it right. If they're there and they want 2 crayfish, we have to do it, and we are outside.
Yeah, guys.
You have a fully active man. Fully active ball game. Find the market. Bigger one, mister. Bigger one. Yeah, say my bite.
Outside.
Say my bite.
Yeah, there now.
Go on down on this. I come back and get them.
Yeah, tipping now, guys.
You pin it down. Then you come back. By the time you come back here, so the water is clear.
Yeah.
Water low. Good guy. Summertime the water low. Normally water than up. Normally you couldn't water some.
Yeah.
In the right or something. You get him? You get a shot, that's all? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yes, come on.
Yeah, guys. Outside, guys.
Yeah, man, that's the vibes, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah, crayfish out for the girls, you know?
Yeah, man. Another one, guys.
Another one, another adventure. Come up. Yes, the one. We are outside, my peeps.
Yeah.
We are Jamaica shore fishing. Remember, you know, go up on the page. I'll do a few pages on the right now. Remember, now, if you like up the man video, like up the man video, thumbs up them, subscribe, talk up the things in my comment.
Jamaica shore fishing and Jamaica vibe there, guys. I'm go hunt some crayfish. Yes. I hunting thing, you know, guys. We are hunt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go kill fish in a country. Kill some crayfish.
What do you mean? Straight.
Yeah.
Straight.
So, I know enough of you guys been to Louisiana before.
Yeah.
And been at the Crawfish Fest and stuff like that. Yep. So this is how we catch crawfish. Alright? So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get back to camp. And because we swam all the way down the river and picked up a few crayfish, roast up for the team. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. You see this bull, yeah? He wants to become beef on my grill. Hey, hey, no.
No, it's a heifer. But do you want to become milk or do you want to become beef? Come here. Come here, heifer. Let me say hi. Come here. Heifer don't want to say hi to me, guys. Damn it! I'm not attracted enough. That's what's up. You're making sure fish in the weed. The vibes are good on this. On the road vibes are come. I can't say another so right now. Yeah man, vibes are going on this so guys. Pick up 2 more crayfish. But I don't want to go in that water because what I don't want to do is cause a murkiness and create visibility problems right away. You see that guys? So if I had one over there I would have created a murk. And I didn't want to create a dust for vibes for him to catch his crayfish because you know I'm creating a murk in that water and create no dust. So I give him a pre and make him go and catch the crayfish guys, and then we head back to camping a bit, roast some of them up and go and chop. I'll go so do some, get some footage. Look here guys, look on the bag! Why? Why? Hey! Young man, we outside guys. Different adventure. We're outside guys. Whoa! Vibes come up again. Striker! Yeah man. Yes, Striker boss this.
Yes,
Anthony one there. Yeah, Anthony spearfishing. Where there my brother? I suppose there some drip on this a link up in our brother because you don't know. Do some different hunting today guys. Yeah, I eat that. Call that day. Come good on river. Down river guys, spear break, so we have to just take a break. That's what I said. Yes, I'm going to catch some more if you want some more. I'm going to pull out this. Hey, if you want, we'll make the water cool on and we'll fling this in the grill real quick. Yeah. And make them go and munch and then we'll come back to it. Is it?
You go through them and both.
On this guys. Net full up already guys. We just want a few now. We are going good guys. I'm by to say yes, yeah. And we are growing back around the camp there. We are just work the river go back down. You see it peoples? Right man. Yeah guys, we just got out the water. And we got a whole bunch of crayfish. Yo, look at the size of this monster guys. Look at them. Huge! Huge crayfish guys. We just caught these guys a while ago. I'm about to cook them up on the fire. Straight, fresh. Jamaican shore fishing and Jamaica Vibes Adventures, guys. We got some pork on the grill too, guys. A slice, Jamaica Vibes, a slice of piece right now for tasty.
Yes, sir.
Taste test.
I'm going to taste it.
Hold on there. How old are you, dog? I've been married a long time. You know, try more than say, long time. We do a long time. That's right. Gentlemen! I'm saying people, we're up on the river guys. My kids them there. Families here, wives here. Enjoying ourselves. Bless up. Stay tuned. We're making shore fishing. Guys are going
clean them out,
clean out the crayfish them.
Clean out the guts.
Yeah, take out the guts, you know, no. And we there match up some pork chop, same way Larry done match up our pork chop and say, yo, this is so good. Dip on the river, don't you? Love the river, don't you? Nice vibes, don't with daddy. I'm out here, so. The man all pick the grill, you know, people. Clean the grill, people. Clean the grill. Jerk mackerel done. Outside, man. Outside, man. I want a nice little buy for $5.99 for Amazon, no guy.
Yeah.
I tell you, say a proper, yo, the little grill about your fat, brother. When I see it, I say, yo, yes. Now for all that. Yeah, man, guys, we are enjoying the vibes on the river, guys. Nice little river vibes. We got the crayfish on the fire, guys, and we have one roasting here too. But yo, guys, this is what's up. We're just trying to create a little vibes and enjoy ourselves on the river, guys. So we're roasting up and we're cooking up parts and some crayfish.
No oil.
No oil, guys. And we got one on the side. I just fire at shore live. Yo, see this one's still alive. Oh shit! Look at the size of the one that just landed in my foot a while ago, guys.
Why, go down, go down. Look at this. He needs to go in the pot. Look how big he is. He's alive. We getting live crayfish coming on land. Yeah, man, guys. We out here. Crayfish are parched up, guys, with some pepper and salt.
And I know it's
like some pepper shrimp type deal. You see me, people? Yeah, man. I style, people. Mouth on red. And I don't know. We must up the thing today, guys. Outside. We have two just land pan land. We have firing that's a still a kill too. Same way I show them on. The girls are hunting same way. We out here now, guys. Jamaica shore fishing. We are out here.
Oh.
Share out. No! They don't know. After we do them the hunting there, guys.
Yeah, man, Jerry. Hey, daddy.
Man, Jamaica vibes. Hunt!
Oh, God,
and we catch crayfish, guys.
We are outside.
We are out here, guys, and we're trying to sort out the thing. That's it. Yeah, man. I know, man. Girls love that. Look at you got shrimps. You got to break them out the shells. Let daddy break it out for you. You want to break it out for you? For mommy?
Oh, mommy. Oh, this mommy girl.
We're there. And we'll call it the ending of the day, guys. Guys, we come down here on a great adventure, guys. And we enjoy ourselves. Oh, gosh, man. Chevelle, family, everybody, my kids, everybody enjoying themselves. And Chevelle there, so guys, Jamaican Vibes Adventures. We're there, so we enjoy ourselves, people. I kid you not. And if you get a chance, people, and you want to come up in our country vibes, please link up Jamaica Vibes Adventures, guys. If you want to get out in our local country vibes and depend on local tourists.
Yeah.
You see me? And some local coolness and some local country badness, people. And you can get some roast yam and saltfish and do crayfish.
Yes,
and some pork chops on the fire, people.
Oh God, man. Oh God. Hey, listen, this man, he bring a great day to a great day. To a wonderful day. Listen. As I say, we get whole up today. And look at it turned out better than we never reach.
We never expected.
We never
we not reach, people, and we not reach, and the vibes were so beautiful. My family enjoyed themselves, and kids enjoyed themselves, and everybody enjoyed themselves, guys. And trust me, good vibes. So stay tuned, guys. Great video. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. And please watch the ads. You know what I'm saying?
Watch the ads.
Yeah.
Watch the ads. Watch the ads. Yeah, man. Just watch the ads. Give him the time. Watch the ads.
Yeah, people. And that's how we get a little contribution to our content. Yes,
yeah,
man.
Watch the ads, guys. Yeah, man. YouTube not easy now, guys. And you know, say, alright, notice where this man left from. We are mobile calling me. Gas money and them thing there. So you know, say the little revenue when watch the ads, help out. Goes a long way. Understand? Big up on yourself, man. Jamaica shore fishing, Jamaica vibes. You know, go now, man.
We are out here, guys.
Oh,
yeah.